Hello and welcome to day 53 of Bedtime Welsh. And it's time for a new word. And the new word is to read, so that should be quite helpful for you. To read in Welsh is darllen, darllen. Now the ell sound there might be a little bit tricky for you, but it's actually not too bad. People make a fuss about it. But all you need to do is make an L sound, l, 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 and then let a little bit of air out the side of your mouth. So l, sh, l, sh. The same way you might go from p to f, p, f, or s to sh. You go l, sh, sh. So to read is darllen. So give me to read.
Darllen.
Darllen. So I'm reading is
Dwi'n darllen.
dwi'n darllen. How about because I'm reading?
Achos dwi'n darllen.
Achos dwi'n darllen. How about because I'm reading now?
Achos dwi'n darllen rŵan.
Da iawn. Achos dwi'n darllen rŵan. Okay, how about I'm starting to read?
Dwi'n dechrau darllen.
Dwi'n dechrau darllen. And last one for today, I'm starting to read now.
Dwi'n dechrau darllen
Rŵan.
rŵan.
Dwi'n dechrau darllen rŵan. Okay, that's all for today. We'll have some more for you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.